Hey folks, this is Ben from Rapids Ford. Today we're going to go through some Bronco things, and what I want to talk about today is the hero switches in the Bronco. Now, all the Broncos have some hero switches, but some of them have a few extra ones. The one hero switch that we want to focus on today is Trail Turn. Now, here's an idea of how Trail Turn works. When you have the Bronco in the right mode and you hit the Trail Turn button and you turn the wheel hard to one side, it's going to lock the back wheel and let you turn around an obstacle, pivoting on that wheel, let you turn tighter. So the idea is if you're out there on the trails and you've got to get around something without making a big wide turn, that's going to let you get around it. So now that we have an idea of what it is and kind of how it works here, we're going to go try it with a real Bronco out on our lot. All right, here we are in a Bronco. This is a Sasquatch 2.7 V6 Big Bend. Here's the hero switches that we've been talking about. We've got the flashers, we've got the traction control, trail turn, and then the rear and front lockers. This one doesn't have the sway bar disconnect, but we'll worry about that at a later date. So we're going to do the trail turn, and the first thing that we need to do is be either in 4 high or 4 low. So we're going to select 4 high. Then we're going to turn on trail turn. Trail turn assist is on. So now we'll be able to demonstrate what trail turn looks like from inside and outside the vehicle. A slow speed trail turn here. We're in drive, 4 high, trail turn is on. So we're moving and we're going to turn around an obstacle, turn hard left, and it is dragging the back left wheel so that we can get around the obstacle. Now we'll do it to the right. Dragging and turn around the obstacle. Okay. Now we're going to do a little bit of a higher speed one. Don't try this at home. We're professionals. Now, ordinarily, if you do that, you're going to burn up a set of tires, or you're going to flip yourself over. The conditions here today just happen to be perfect for this, so we wanted to give it a shot, show you exactly how trail turn works. Now you know.